Today, we're going to be taking a look at a watch that is the latest take on probably the most iconic budget chronograph out there. The watch is the new Icon 2 from Seagull watches. There's two versions of the watch, a steel case with blue dial, and the watch I have today, which is the bronze case with green dial. They've come out with a lot of really good releases lately, but I think this is the best, at least for me. Now, the watch was given to the channel and does not have to be returned, and just want to be transparent with you on that. But like always, the company has no say when it comes to the content of today's video. So let's get to it and check it out. All right, now these watches are about the best in the business when it comes to a mechanical chronograph, an affordable mechanical chronograph. Some of their watches have a more vintage vibe, and this does to a certain extent, but something about it feels a little more modern than some of their other releases. The blue version also looks really good, but when I did the unboxing the other day, I was secretly hoping for this version, green with bronze. Always goes so good, and this looks really sharp. If you want to see how this comes out with the packaging and all that, I'll leave a link to the unboxing in the description below. The dial is a sunburst green, and one kind of cool thing is they also have the sunburst or sunray finish on the chapter ring with the tachymeter scale, which is a cool design detail. I also like the contrasting minute track in that cream color, breaking up the dial between the dial itself and the chapter ring. Up at the top of the dial is the star logo with the name of the watch, Icon 2, printed in gold below that. Down at the 6 is 21 joules, also printed in gold. So let's start up the chronograph here and get that red second hand moving. Over at the 3 o'clock is the minutes totalizer for the chronograph for up to 30 minutes. At the 3 o'clock, the subdial there is the running seconds for the watch. The hands and markers are a goldish bronze tone, and they are filled with superluminova. Good even application. It doesn't have the brightest lume or the staying power like some of the divers out there, but it's not bad at all and stays readable for quite a long time. So let's stop and reset the chronograph here and talk about the case. It's a bronze case, so over time it's going to pick up patina and already has a little, especially around the side push-pull crown and the pushers. It is fully brushed, and at least for my wrist size, wears great with those curvy lugs like this. Through the display case back is the Seagull ST1901 manual wind movement. It is a column wheel chronograph and a direct descendant to the famous Venus 175 that was brought to China by Seagull watches. They bought the blueprints, tooling, and rights and have been producing these for decades since. It's a 21 joule movement beating at 21,600 vibrations per hour and with a power reserve of approximately 48 hours. Good movement and a beautiful movement to look at too. The strap included with the watch is really nice. It's a green, slightly distressed calfskin leather. It is backed with a Zermatt lining, and this one is one of the nicer stock straps I've seen in a while for a watch, especially at the price point. It's got quick release spring bars and also hardware matching the case, and overall just a good look for the watch. Size on the watch comes in at a case width of 40 millimeters on the dot. It is 45.9 millimeters lug to lug. Lug opening is 20 millimeters, and the thickness is 14.2 millimeters, including the double dome box sapphire. The crystal on the case back is actually also sapphire, and the water resistance is 100 meters. And here it is on my 7.25-inch wrist, and yep, awesome watch. The bronze with the green and then the gold accents on the dial work so good. Overall, really happy with the watch and really enjoying wearing it. Cost for these come in at $588 USD. Check the site though. As of the time of recording, there was a discount available, but not sure how long that will last. Link to where you can find these will be below. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.